Hello everyone, I hope you're well and you're happy. In this project, I'll be showing you how to build a stepping stool, or you can call it a step stool. This is a great thing to have around the house. This is great for kids if they are brushing their teeth, going to those hard to reach areas. And also, it's perfect for moms and it's perfect for dads when they are moving around the house where you need to clean around the house and you just need that extra boost. So stick around and try this. You can even try this for someone and give them as a gift. So try this and follow along with the easy steps on how to make this stepping stool. These are the list of the materials that I used for this project. And when it comes to the wood measurements, please take down the different cuts that you're going to need for the stepping stool. For the stepping stool, I used scrap wood that I had lying around the house. So what I did was to just cut and trim a few edges to make sure that they are right with the measurements. For this case, I use a hand saw. So let's start to put together the stepping stool. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to just show you how to put everything together and how the stepping stool is going to look when it's done. So we're not going to drill anything now. It's just like we'll call it a pre-run, and I'm going to show you how it's going to look when it's done. This is how the stepping stool is going to look when it's all done. The shape will basically be similar to this. The first thing we do is to assemble the leg structure or the base of the stepping stool. So what I'm currently doing is just to measure where I'm going to pre-drill my holes. So the one which is standing upright is the base, which is going to join together the two sides. So the two sides which are lying on the floor, these two, they'll have to be mirror image of each other. And then the other piece, which is the 260 millimeters, is going to hold the two mirror frame things together. If by any chance you have clamps, please use them. It will help you keep everything together. But if you don't, use that trick that I showed you for putting everything against the wall. It also helps as well. So I use 70 millimeter screws, which are about 4.5 millimeter thick, to connect the brace of the stepping stool together. So you can see here, what I did was to pre-drill my wood. It makes life easier. And I used those markings that I did previously to make sure that it's in line with where I want to pre-drill. So it's very important that you make sure that you put it in the right position so that the two pieces must be two mirror images. After done with assembling everything, this is basically the whole structure of the stepping stool. The next step that I did was to put a 80 grit sanding paper to my sander. Then I started sanding the whole structure. And also remember to sand the loose parts, which are going to be forming part of the stepping stool. Now it's time to choose a color of your liking. I went for white linen, and also before we talk about the painting. If you have wood filler, please use wood filler. With me, I do not mind seeing the screws. I love seeing screws on my wood, so it tells me that this is definitely a wood made product. So if you don't like seeing screws, please use wood filler before you paint. So I used a spray paint. I used two different colors of the spray paint. I just wanted something that pops a bit. After the painting is all nice and dry, you have to assemble everything together. So one of the things I did is a lazy trick that I did. I didn't paint the bottom of the stairs, because I was trying to save a bit of paint, so it doesn't show at all. So you can also get away with that. You assemble everything together, and then you start putting screws onto the stairs, and make sure that you dust off all the dust. And if you need to put a top coat once you're done, please do that. What I did, I let my daughter play around with the paint a bit, considering all the safety measures, because I was there. So you'll see how it turned out at the end. Your stepping stool is all done and it's looking very nice. Please remember to share this video with your friends, with your family. It will be a great gift as well to someone. And also remember, those who are asking regarding the weight of the stepping stool, trust me, it will hold as much weight as possible. I've tried it, I've tested it. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Please do try this at home, and please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Cheers, bye.